Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can activate a Nomad eSIM. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply launch your phone and check whether it is eSIM compatible. Most of the iPhones are eSIM compatible and some of the Android devices are compatible. So you can go to the settings of your phone and then you can look for the option of eSIM. If there is the option of eSIM available, that means your phone is compatible. Now, once that is done, you need to simply just launch any of the eSIM plans from the Nomad eSIM, and then you need to get all of your eSIM installation and the QR code details inside your My eSIM section. Now, there you will be shown the option of SIM installation, but if you are not able to find that there, then you just have to open the settings of your iPhone, look for the option of cellular inside it. When you are inside cellular, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of add an eSIM. Now inside this option, you will be shown the option of transferring it from the nearby iPhone or using the QR code. So I highly recommend you to select the option of use a QR code. Then you just have to simply scan the QR code, and you can also enter the details manually if you want. But if you scan the QR code, it will automatically take the information and the process will be smooth in that case. So it will show you that the enter activation code, so you don't need to do anything about it. When you have selected the option of scanning the QR code, simply hit the next option on the top right hand corner. Then you just have to wait for some time until it completes and until it shows you the continue option. Then when you select the option of continue, on the next page you will be shown that the cellular setup is now complete and you are all done. So that's how basically you can activate your Nomad eSIM. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.